honor and morals fail in government, they will fail in a people. There are some moral laws written in the great book. Overall, there is the gospel of brotherhood. For the first time in the history of America, we have heard the gospel of hate, of class hatred preached from the White House. That is a human poison far more deadly than fear. Every reader of the history of democracy knows that it is the final rock upon which all democracies have been wrecked. There is the suggestion in the Gospels that it is the meat. Where has it brought us to even now? We have spent some 15 billion more than the last Republican administration. We have a debt of 10 billion greater than even the Great War debt. After 3 years, we have still the same number of unemployed that we had at the election of November 1932. By evasion. But the American people have the right to know now, while they still have the power to act, what is going to be done after the election with these measures which the Constitution forbids and the people by their votes have never authorized? What do the New Dealers propose to do with these unstable currencies, these unbalanced budgets, these debts, and these taxes? 50 words would make that clear. Surely the propaganda agencies which emit 500,000 words a day could find room for this 50. I noticed they recently spent 300 words on how to choose a hat. It is slightly more important to know the fate of a nation. You have the duty to determine the principles upon which the Republican Party will stand. You make the laws of the party. Whether it is within the party or within a government, our system is a government of laws and not of men. And the Republican Party holds to its promises and its laws. The immense task is to set this country on the road of genuine recovery from the paths of instability. We have enough inventions and enough accumulated needs to start the physical rebuilding of America. The day the Republican Party can assure that support to this, and a new danger has been created to the Republic.